Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video to share with you, and I've got Glossybox's December beauty subscription box. This is the gorgeous box it comes in. Really pretty. It says the best time of the year. As always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Glossybox is a UK monthly subscription box. This is Glossybox UK and they only ship within the UK. The cost of the box is £10 and £3.25 shipping. Inside we receive around 5 beauty treats a month, and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup and tools, and sometimes we've had extra freebies like perfumes or like chocolates and things like that, as well as a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month. They do offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. The reason you're seeing this box a little bit earlier on in the month is because this box is kind of gifted to me from Glossybox in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. As well as receiving Glossybox PR, I do have my own subscription, and I've been a subscriber to Glossybox for nearly 4 years now, and I've never had a break. It's one of my favourite subscription boxes. Yes, some months are better than others, but for £13.25 I just think it's an amazing box. So for my own box I take out a 12-month subscription, so instead of paying £13.25 a month I pay £11.75 a month, and those boxes I keep for giveaways on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, or I give them to friends and family as gifts. All details and everything related to the subscription, plus Glossybox has given me a discount code to share with you. It's an affiliate link and that will entitle you to have a couple of pounds off your first box. You'll find it listed down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Every month we get a little card here and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you the prices, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value, and it also gives you a sneak peek for next month. So for our January 2021 box we will receive a e-cooking moisturising serum with £22.50. So all subscribers will receive that. It contains 4 full-size items and 1 deluxe mini. It says Merry Christmas Glossies, offering the ultimate mix of Christmas parties and cozying up at home. December really is our favourite month, which is why our best time of the year Glossybox is made up of 5 fabulous products that are perfect for these very occasions. With pampering skincare products and Christmas-inspired cosmetics, we've thought of everything you need to feel glam this festive season. So I'll refer to this as we go along. And that's what the inside looks like. What's it say on here? On the ribbon it's got best time of your life. Might be all jumbled up in there, but I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. So the first product in the box is by Wonder Beauty, and this is Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. There's 1 pair in here. Minimum effort, maximum results. It contains aloe leaf juice, calendula extract and camu extract. I'll just show you what it looks like there. So you take them out and stick them under your eyes. Individually packaged gold foil eye masks help nourish dull, tired-looking skin. Experience 3 nourishing layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to hydrate the skin. I never knew that. Okay, the middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere better to skin, and the third is cellulose fibre that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. And it just goes on to telling you how to use it by making sure your under eyes are clean and dry, and you apply them and leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes and then pat in remaining serum into your skin. So this is a full-size product. The cost of this alone is £4, and you can buy them in a pack of 6 for £20. And then it just goes into telling you what I read off the back there. Next we got nail polish, and this is by Nailberry, and this is Le Oxygen Oxygenated Nail Lacquer. The colour is absolutely stunning. That is really beautiful. It's a breathable nail polish and the shade is Strawberry Jam. This is full size, and to purchase this it will cost you £15, and it looks like we'll all receive the same shade. It says Le Oxygen polishes are also considerate of your nails' future health, utilising patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure. Even though it is absolutely stunning, I have gels now and I'm due to have them done tomorrow. They are looking rather messy at the moment. You will not see close-ups. of my nails, but I am having them done tomorrow. The only time I use nail polishes now are on my toes and not so much in the winter time. I do use them, but obviously they're mainly in slippers or boots. So I think this product might be a little bit hit and miss with people, especially if you're like me and you have gel nails, but not everyone does. Not everyone does. Next we got the sneak peek that we had in last month's box, and this is a product that is over £100 if I remember rightly, something like £105. This little teeny tiny thing. We got 15 mils here, and this is by Symbiosis London. Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum. So it looks like there. So even though it is small, with eye creams, you only need a tiny, tiny bit. But there is no way I would spend over £100 on an eye cream. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so I do appreciate having brands that are very costly to try. Not saying just because they cost more they are better than, you know, more affordable choices, but yeah, it's the only way I'm going to be able to try them. You're not going to see anything. You're not going to be able to see anything, and I've only put a tiny bit there, but it feels really nice. Yep, no scent. No scent. But I have to be honest and say that I've had a lot of eye creams recently. I seem to be inundated with eye creams. Even though price point, brilliant, it's exciting, but actually I think I would have preferred a cleansing balm, a really nice cleansing balm maybe. I just think, yeah, we've had enough eye creams now. We've had enough eye creams now to last us quite a long time, so it'd be nice to see something a bit different. Yeah, the recommended retail price for this is £102. It says, this overnight serum is the ideal treatment for puffy, tired eyes in need of relief. Glycolic acid boosts skin's firmness and addresses blackheads, dullness and excess oils, whilst RNA helps skin combat the signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles and brown spots. With its shimmering properties, third key ingredient, mica aims to reflect light from the skin for a smoother, softer and more radiant complexion. It sounds nice. We'll have to see if it's worth the £100. So there's that. Next we got a makeup sponge, and this is by Sport FX Blend and Go, and this is, it just says makeup blending sponge for all over natural coverage for a smooth, flawless complexion. Now I've received these a few times, and in all honesty, me personally, I don't like them. I don't like them. It's so I'm going to give this away. The idea behind it is fab. Can you see there? It's all angular, so you're able to use it to carve out a contour, to bake, etc. And then the bottom then to, like, you know, apply your foundation, things like that. It's nice for that respect, but I think the only time I would use it is if I really wanted to carve out my cheekbones. I've tried it before and I don't like using it for foundation. I just don't like it. This is full size, and to buy this it'll cost £4.99. It says, whether you're using skincare products or primers, applying foundation and concealer, or adding contour definition with highlighter, there's an angle for every need. Top tip, dampen the sponge with water when applying liquid and cream formulas for a streak-free and dewy finish, but use dry with powdered products. Yeah, I should have said that really as well, but it's all in there, so that's fine. And then lastly, we've got a little pot of something. This is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, and this is Daily Skin Therapy. Softens, smooths, relieves rough, dry skin. It's a 24-hour moisture, and we've got 30 grams there. This unique solid to oil moisturiser, turn it around to read it, delivers deep hydration where you need it most. The water-free formula melts into skin, creating a protective barrier that locks in moisture for up to 24 hours. Ideal for rough skin and feet, chapped lips, marks, scars and tattoo aftercare. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. Oh, I just love the smell of cocoa butter. It's like a little balm. I've got to be careful because of my nails. This nail has come off. It feels just like a cleansing balm, you know, where it's quite solid and then it melts into your hand then. That is lovely. That is really nice. This will cost you £1.50. To buy the full size 100 grams, it will cost you £4.29. And then it just goes into telling you roughly the same as what I read off the back here. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up. So these are all the products inside December's Glossy box. There's 5 products in all. The cost of the box is £13.25. The whole value of this box comes in at a whopping £126. But that's mainly thanks thanks to this little eye cream here, which is 104. So you're definitely getting your money's worth there as far as value is concerned. But the actual products, my thoughts are a little bit flat this month, I've got to be honest. Nothing I'd say is horrible, but it's a little bit underwhelming for a Christmas box. I've just got loads and loads of eye creams. There seems to be eye creams in lots of different subscription boxes over the last couple of months, and I don't know how I'm going to fit it in with all the other eye creams that I have on the go as well. This Beauty Blending Sponge is not one of the best ones out there, in all honesty. Nah, Real Techniques, Nancy, there's loads of sponges out there, but I'd say it's best for if you like contouring or applying highlighter, etc. Face masks as well, it's nice, but we seem to have a lot of them in subscription boxes. The nail polish is gorgeous, really pretty colour, so I'm definitely going to keep it. But I don't know when I'll be using it. And what else is there? Oh, this little balm here, I really like it. I love the feel of it, I love the smell of it. I can imagine this being more in like a January-February box when the weather is a little bit colder and our skin's a little more dry. Before a December box, this doesn't really scream a Christmas theme. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month? What do you think of the products? Have you had your box yet? Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.